Hello, welcome to my videos about Go programming. My name is Gilbert and I'm a software engineer. I'll be walking through a number of videos where we shall go through a number of Go programming files so that we can investigate and learn more about the Go programming language. Now, the first thing you need to do is to download Go, and this is the URL. Type it in your browser, go.dev. So this is the home page. So you will download by clicking on this button, and you get an installation file that will look like this one. Okay. Okay, so you get a file that looks like this. Go for Windows. If you're using Linux, it will be different, but it will still be the Go binary. So once you've got it, then you proceed to install that application. So this is Go, and as I said, you click download. Okay, and once you click download, come here, you see here, Go, these are the Go files. And since we're using Windows, we want this one here, Microsoft Windows. So you click that file, MSI, Microsoft Installer. Okay, and that will initiate the download. I'm going to cancel it here, but I hope you've understood how to download Go. After you've downloaded Go, you come and double click the file you've downloaded in. So it brings this window. Welcome to Go programming language, setup wizard. Click next. You have already installed it, so it's saying repair, but on your side I'm sure it wouldn't bring this repair option. So I click repair. On your side you'll just be clicking next, next, next until it starts doing the installation. There should be easy prompts. You don't get a lot of confusion or options. Pick just the same set of simple click yes here, and like that, and then finish. So I'm going to say no here because I've already installed. Okay. At this point, I hope you've finished installing Go. Now, to check that you've installed Go on your PC, that it's running, here on my Windows, I'm going to search for PowerShell. Okay. That brings up my PowerShell, and I just put in Go. Okay. So when you type in Go, if Go is installed, you'll get this kind of listing. But if Go is not installed, you get some error saying uh, Go command Go is not known. So I'm hoping you got a similar output, and that means that you've installed Go. Yeah. So that's it on installing Go. Now the next piece of software we need is Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is an editor that you use to edit your programs, and this is the website, so you can just copy it down, code.visualstudio.com. Okay, and then you just click download. Okay, you have already installed it, but this is the button. Click download, and it will automatically start downloading for you. Okay, I want to download it, so I'm going to discard it. So once you've downloaded it, this is the same process. You just double click on it, click next until you've successfully installed Visual Studio Code. And once it's installed, you should be able to search for it on your PC by typing in your Visual Studio Code. And so this is Visual Studio Code that I've already installed. I can click File. Make sure this autosave is ticked so that the program gets your changes automatically get saved to disk. Make sure that autosave is ticked. So to tick it, you just click here autosave, and once you click there, you notice the tick comes next to it, and that is it. So you've set up your studio code, then you've installed your short, then come to your extensions, this button here, Visual Studio Code called extensions, okay, then type in Go. Okay, so this is the Visual Studio Code extension for Go. So just install it. Me, I've already installed it, but the button should be here, install. If you're not installed it, you can even show up here, like you see these others, it has the word install. So just click the word install, and it will install for you the Go extension in Visual Studio Code. This extension allows us to see code highlighting and IntelliSense as we make changes to our programs. So that's it. I hope you've managed to set up your Studio Code and Go. See you in the next video.